n'emuzire 226. Seruyange Ignatius yali mwana mulenzi nga muto nga yali atuuse okugenda mu ssomero lya Nasare. Omusawo yamukebera bamuyita Katongole Abdul ennaku z'omwezi 2 Ogwokuna 2026. Omulambo gwali gunyogoze era nga apeeruse nnyo nti bwe yamukebera n'asanga yali alina ekiwundu ekya sentimita 14 mu bulago nti ate ekiwundu ekyo yafumitira ddala n'atuuka mu mabega w'obulago nti yafumita yasala emisuwa egisinga egikwata ku bulago nti era n'alaba n'akawundu akalala akali ka sentimita 4 akali kumpi n'ekiwundu ekyo ekinene nti ekyamuviirako okufa yavaamu omusaayi mungi olw'ekiwundu ekyali mu bulago n'asayininga n'ateekako sitampu ya mochari.
The fourth and final piece of agreed evidence, my lord, is also police form 48B, a postmortem report, and it is number 1104 of 2026. Under Police CRB 026 of 2026, Egaba Police Station. This postmortem, my lord, is in respect of Odeke Ryan, a male juvenile of preschool age. This examination, my lord, was done by Dr. Katongole Abdul, on 2nd April 2026. At the time of the postmortem, the body of Odeke was cold. Evidence of trauma, my lord. There was a 9-centimeter long deep cut wound located on the right side of the neck
Let him sit outside. You'll be able to.
There was a 9-centimeter long deep cut wound located on the right side, in an oblique fashion at 60 centimeters from the right heel, stretching from the anterior midline. This wound was found to be longer than it was deep. The wound was characterized by smooth edges, regular margins, no marginal contusions, nor branching fibers. It was a deep cut wound dissecting through the underlying neck muscles, neck vessels, traches, TRACHES, osophagus, cut fractures of C4 vertebrae, and transection of the spinal cord. The cause of death, my lord, was hypovolemic shock. Following deep cut injuries to the right side of the neck. Report, my lord, was signed by Dr. Katongole Abdul on 2nd April 2026, and it bears the stamp of Kampala Capital City Authority, City Mortuary Police.